So I don't know if you remember this, but last week I had posted many stories going on and on about this new Mexican restaurant that I discovered in Boston, and I was blown away by their interiors because it was very Aztec tropical themed. इसी दिन मुझे उस रेस्टोरेंट में उनकी सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर मिली थी जिससे मेरी बात हुई थी, और मैंने उसको बताया था कि मैं भी एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ जिसके 25,000 फॉलोअर है, और ये बात उसको इम्प्रेसिव लगी थी. So guess what? I am getting ready to go there now because she has invited me to sample their new menu. That day I had not revealed the name of the restaurant, not because I was trying to gatekeep, but simply because I thought it would be better to show you. Okay, so this is my final fit for the evening. Very tropical, I know. ये देख के कोई बता ही नहीं सकता कि अभी हम यूएस के ईस्ट कोस्ट पे और बाहर नेगेटिव में टेम्परेचर हो रहा है. But frankly, that is the point. We're trying to pretend कि हम लोग एक tropical vacation पे जा रहे हैं, and that shouldn't even be that hard because
यहाँ आते ही तुम वैसे भी भूल ही जाने वाले हो कि तुम अब भी यूएस में हो. And a few drinks down, you'll also forget all your problems that come with being there. I mean, just look at this place. क्या जगह है भाई. This is Gato Exotico. Come on, cause there's so much more to show you. They've got this private room that mimics the Aztec architecture. It's mainly to host bigger parties privately. Honestly, super cool, but personally too scary for me. And also cause इनके टेबल पे ये मुंह की हड्डियां कार्व हो रखी हैं. पता चले कि यहाँ मैं ऊपर से खाना खा रही हूँ, ये नीचे से खाना खा रहा है डायरेक्टली मेरे पेट से. भाई ये तो ह्यूमन सेंटीपीड वाला सीन हो जाएगा. So no thank you. I think I'm good. Okay, bye cutie. They have another even bigger private room called the jungle room, and this time they've got actual cuties on the table. उस हड्डी को प्यार कर लिया तो इसको तो करना बनता ही है यार. Anyways, back to the main room, onto some food and drinks now. The most fun and also dangerous thing about their cocktails is that each one comes in its own unique glass, which kind of makes you wanna get them all. And it can't be a coincidence कि उनकी सबसे strong drink एक गधे के कप में आती है, because ये पीने के बाद तुम हरकतें तो definitely गधों जैसी करते हो. Food, we started off with this complimentary chips and salsa, and guys, this was the freshest, punchiest tasting salsa I've ever had. And then came the crazy stuff with all the loaded cheese and guac and the enchiladas with a side of Mexican rajma rice, and that's when we knew it was over for everyone because so good, guys. Now moving on to tacos, guys, their mushroom taco was a solid 10 on 10 banger. And then moving on to something more adventurous, which is rare as a vegetarian, I tried a cactus taco for the first time. Definitely worth a try.
I sampled all the non-veg tacos, and my personal favorite was the tomato chicken taco. 10 on 10 banger.
All crazy place, crazy vibes, crazy decor, crazy drinks. I really recommend going there as soon as possible before it starts to get crowded. क्योंकि ऐसी जगह पे तो reservation फिर बहुत ही मुश्किल से मिलेगा. So save this spot for your next date or even outing with friends and thank me later. They also just gave us free shots before we left, और भाई ऐसा लगा कि किसी ने गर्दन में आग लगा दी. Okay, bye, good night.